All right, today we're going to be replacing the wheel spacers. I'm sorry, not replacing them, adding wheel spacers. This is the stock configuration right now on my 24 Ford Ranger. We're going to be putting some wheel spacers in just because I think it gives it a wiser stance, make it look more aggressive, and I just like the way that it looks. So I put my level here. My wheel's not completely straight. You can see there's a gap difference, but it's currently to the sidewall about an inch out from the wheel well. So I haven't determined whether I'm going to do 1.5 inch spacers or 3-inch spacers yet. So we're going to check it out now. All right, got one wheel spacer in there. And you can see here, it has brought us out about 1.5 inches on either side, which is what it should do. I like the way it looks like this, but I'm going to throw another spacer on there just to see what it looks like. If it looks too clownish, I'm not going to do it, but let's see what it looks like. All right, so here's with another 1.5 inches, which makes it a total of 3. And I don't know, I don't really like it sticking out that far. Plus, it's probably going to throw a lot of stuff up on the side of my truck. It already does a little bit. My old one just had 1.5 inches, so I think I'm just going to go 1.5 inches on this in return for these spacers. But I just did want to see what it looked like, but that's a little bit too much there. All right, I'm going to torque these now just to be safe. The manufacturer said 85 foot-pounds. Ford says 100 foot-pounds. So I'm just going to be safe and torque it to 100. You can see I've got a straight screwdriver in there. But I need to use the torque wrench because the Ugga Dugga, I have no idea. I just got it, and I don't know how many Ugga Duggas is what. So better be safe and use the torque wrench. All right, we got all 4 wheel spacers installed now and torqued properly. I like how it looks. It just sticks out a little bit more than usual. Not enough to mud up the whole side of my truck or scratch it with rocks, but enough to make it look a little bit more aggressive. I like it. The back seems like it's a little bit closer in, but I think that's just how the fender flares out there. But I like it. On to the next project.